It's IBC 2022 and I'm here in Hall 12 at the IDX stand and we're going to speak to Robert Holland. Hi Robert.
Hi Matt.
Going to speak about some new for 2022 Duo batteries.
Correct, yeah.
Go on.
Obviously there's a lot of customers out there that already know our Duo C range. It was brought out probably about 6-7 years ago now.
Mm-hmm.
So for this year we've improved it. We didn't think we could, but we have. We've improved it. And the key difference, I suppose, for the customer is the new USB PD connector.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I said when they told me.
What?
So USB PD means power delivery system,
Right.
which allows you to get a 5, 9, 12, 15 or 20 volt output via the USB socket.
Right. Okay. Interesting.
Add to that, you can charge via the USB
That was going to be my question.
PD socket.
Yeah.
And guess what? We have
Brilliant.
a UC PD1, which is a 60 watt charger.
Okay.
So most people will think of these sort of things as very slow chargers. But ironically, this is now the fastest way of charging an IDX Duo
Fantastic.
CP.
And this USB-C connector.
It's a USB-C, so you can power up to a MacBook Pro via
Right.
this connector on the battery.
Okay.
So not only do we have the normal V-lock mounting,
Yep.
we have D-Tap,
Yep.
we have D-Tap Advanced,
For powering
and as we've just spoken
it,
about,
charging it.
the
Yeah.
USB PD.
Brilliant.
The normal torch that we have on IDX batteries, and a complete range. The lightweight 98, so no restriction on flights. The 150, which we restricted to 2 on flights.
Right.
And then the rather large 198. All of these have got relatively high loads on them, so 10.4 on the 98 and 14 amps on the 150 and the 198.
Right.
So very flexible, broad range of product.
Fantastic. And are they available now? Are we delivering worldwide?
How many would you like? We can deliver it immediately for you.
Fantastic. So if people want to buy them, where should we send them?
That's probably going to be www.idx-europe.co.uk.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Robert. So we'll be doing another video here, which you can look up on kitplus.com and also go there for anything else that we're doing at this year's IBC.